All right. I have not opened this up. I have no idea what's in here. Well, I have an idea what's in here. It's an iPhone 11 repair kit, but I don't know the tools that are involved in this repair kit. Suction cup, and this item. Some sort of metal round. Nice. Operation. You know, oh, the pin. I think it's for a SIM card. Okay, so we know that's there. Put that back. Guitar pick, when you're done. Tools in here. Is this even on camera? Good. Little pry tools. Looks like a little pry bar. The one on each end. Tweezers here. Looks like they are serrated. No, they're not. No, they're not. 3D printed, maybe. Tools. What do we got here? Jeez, got a tiny little hex. Are these all going to be tiny? Phillips head. And a Phillips head, but like with a flat blunt. Some sort of part here, a tool. Looks important. And that's, oh, come on, under here. What's under here? Whoa. Oh, wow. Whoa. Okay. Pardon me. You know what? This may help me outfit it. Some sort of screen thing there. This blue thing. You can see some of there. And then you have, wow, jeez, here's the hardware. I mean, I would be up to try this out. Oh, there you go. I'd be up to try this out, if I had an iPhone 11. What else we got here? Some wipes. A wet wipe, a dry wipe. A magnetic screw mat. Oh, nice. The following colors. Now in here it shows that there's the flat Phillips head. There again. Flat Phillips head. And then it looks like kind of like a three-point screwdriver, and then there's a star. So I guess that's where you place all your things. Shows you actually where the bolts are. So the red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The blues towards the bottom of the phone, 2 there, and then the green along the top. All right. There's no gift card. No. I'm going to put it back in there, but that does not exist. No. There's nothing there. Nothing to see there. Just saying. Hey, if you get that thing to work, congratulations. But that we're not saying that you're getting that. There's no gift card there. All right. Well, I mean, if you're going to make an attempt on repairing your iPhone 11, hey, this is the kit that would do it. Your screen, your screen's cracked. I had my Samsung phone and was on a table at a friend's place and did a swan dive off the 10th floor. It didn't make it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and good luck on your project if you decide to do this. And be careful.